All right, today's body system that we are learning about is the skeletal system. And that is the bones of our body. And we know that bones, from science, other chapters we've learned about, have a lot of different functions. And we'll talk about those in a minute. But a fun fact about your skeletal system is that when you were born as a tiny little baby, you had about 300 bones in your body. By the time you become an adult, you will only have 206 bones. And that is because when you're born, like your skull is separated. You have soft spots. You can ask your parents about them. And then as you get older, those soft spots close up. So some of these bones fuse together. And so you lose about 94 bones over the course of your childhood.
The skeletal system includes all the bones of the body, plus the joints where they attach to each other. Our skeleton protects our internal organs, provides a framework or scaffolding that allows us to stand upright and move, stores minerals that our body needs to function properly, and produces blood cells. Our muscles, pulling this way or that way on our bones, produce movement, and without the protection of our skeleton, even a simple bump on the head or chest could injure vital internal organs. Pound for pound, the bones of the skeletal system are stronger than steel. The skeletal system is made up of 206 different bones, which come in 4 basic shapes. Long bones, such as the femur, short bones like the wrist and ankle bones, flat bones such as those in the skull or scapula, and irregular bones like the vertebrae.
So that is the skeletal system in a nutshell. I figured the easiest way for y'all to see it was through a video like that rather than me try to explain it, because that would have taken a really long time. But on the screen you see a picture of your skeletal system, and all stuff that is labeled in those little tiny words that you can't read, that's all 206 bones of your body. Reading it is not important. What is important is that you know some highlights. Like your longest bone in your body is your femur. That is the one, like your thigh bone. So it runs from your knee to your hip. That's the longest one we have, and it is the strongest one we have. Also, you need to know that the skeletal system, it provides the shape and form of our body. If we didn't have that, we would be a noodle. If we didn't have that, we'd be in all kinds of trouble. But the biggest thing is, without our bones, we're just a blob. We're kind of like a jellyfish. What we're going to do next for our last system is the muscular system. And the skeletal system will come back up because the skeletal and muscular system work really closely together to help our body move. And the muscular system is where our unit stops. So I will see y'all next time.